Hello everyone, welcome you all in this lecture in which we cover about basic logic gates, universal logic gates and some other logic gates, and what are the operation performed by these logic gates, truth table of logic gates and Boolean expression corresponding to these logic gates. So in this class we will discuss about these things. So let us start. Why we use logic gates? Simply logic gate is made up of diode and transistor, but diode and transistor are purely the part of electronics, and here we not talk about analog circuits. Here we only discuss about logic gates. So simply it is a building block of digital circuits and digital electronics, means when the things are represented in the form of 0 and 1. So any circuits, the input are provided in the form of 0 and 1 and the output are also in the form of 0 and 1 in case of digital circuits. So here basic logic gates, generally there are three basic logic gates: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And we implement any circuit or any Boolean function by using only and only these three logic gates. With the help of OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate, we implement or we design any circuit, any digital circuit. And since AND gate and OR gate or NOT gate are implemented by using NAND universal gate or by using only NOR universal gates, that's why NAND and NOR are also known as a universal logic gates. And here we also discuss some other gates like XOR gate and XNOR gates. Let's discuss the truth table, what are the symbol of each logic gates one by one. So when we say logic gate, this is simply a basic logic gates. So then AND, OR, NOT, these three are known as a basic logic gates because we design any circuit by using the combination of AND, OR and NOT logic gate. The symbol is of AND gate is what, and why we say that the gate is a AND gate or OR gate or NOT gate, to simply be the output, it depends on the input as well as outputs. Whether it is a AND gate or OR gate or NOT gate, it depends only based on the input and their outputs. We can say that the gate is AND gate or OR gate or NOT gate, or simply a NAND gate or NOR gate or some other logic gates like the XNOR gate or XOR gate. There, what is AND gate? In an AND gate, generally any number of inputs in an AND gate, but mostly take a two inputs excluding a NOT gate. NOT gate have only a single input and single output. AND gate, the logic symbol of AND gate is what? The logic symbol of AND gate is this. There are two inputs, that is A and B, and what is the output? Output Y is written in the form of A and B. Suppose the two statements are connected by a AND gate. So when the statement is true, when both statement true. If one of the statement is false, then simply we can say that the whole sentence is false. Whole statement is false. So here this is and like it just behave like this. When A and B, here we simply provide an input and output in the form of 0 and 1. So we give a input and it produces a output. Here what is the truth table? When we talk about a truth table of AND gate, what is truth table? There are two inputs A and B and one output Y is written in the form of A and B. What are the possible combination of inputs? The value of A is either the possible combination, the value of A is what? 0, B is 0. This is a one possible combination. Another possible combination, the value of A is 0 and B is 1. Then other possible combination is what? The value of A is 1, B is 0, and next possible combination is both are 1 1, both are 1 1. So simply 4 possible combination are, so 4 possible inputs are there. B simply provide A from input A, B simply provide a 0, B 0, or A input, B provide a 0, B input 1, or A input 1, B input 0, or both input are 1 1 means both input are high. 0 represents for a low and 1 represents for a high. So when any one of the, simply suppose here we provide an input, both input are 0 0, what will be the output? Multiplication of both means both are false, this means the output is also false. 0 and 1, at least 1 is false, this means the output is also 0. 1 0, the output is what? 0. And when all the inputs of AND gate, means here in this case only 2 inputs are there, so when both inputs are high, then only the output is high. In rest cases the output is low. So in case of AND gate, when any one of the input is low means 0, the output is low. When all the inputs are high, then only the output is high. Let us take the AND gate with 3 input or 4 input or 5 input. So if at least one of the input is low, then the output is 0, output is also low. When all the inputs, means if the 7 input AND gate is there, when all the 7 inputs are high, then only the output is high. Rest cases the output is low. Similarly, here OR gate, logic symbol to represent OR gate is what? Here there are 2 inputs, generally we talk about a 2 input OR gate, and this is the logic symbol of OR gate. Here there are 2 inputs A and B, and then Y is written in the form of A plus B. A plus B means either, here A plus B represents either A is true or B is true. So this means this is false when A and B both are false. Rest cases means when at least one of the input value is high, the output value is high. When both input value goes to low, then only the output goes to low. All other cases the output is high. So here the truth table is what? Truth table of OR gate. This is the input A and this is input B, and this is Y is written in the form of A plus B. Simply what are the possible combinations? Since there are 2 variables as a input, possible combination are 2 to the power 2, this means 4 possible combination, and that are 4 possible combination are written as 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. This represents a 0, 1, 2 and 3 in binary. So 4 possible combinations that are represented as 0, 1, 2 and 3. What are the possible outputs? The output when both are 0 0 means this is false, this is false, then means this particular input is low, P is also low, then output is also low. When one of the input is high means output is high, 0 1, that is 1, 1 0, 1, 1 1 1. In case here we see that when the output is low, when all the inputs are low, when at least one of the input is high, the output is high. In similar case, suppose the OR gate is 7 input or 8 input or 10 inputs, then we can say that if one of the input is high, then the output is high. When all the inputs are low, then only the output is low. The third basic logic gate is what? That is a NOT gate. Logic symbol of NOT gate is what? This is simply just behave like an inverter, means it invert the input when the input is A, then output Y is equal to what? That is written as A complement, means that invert the value, means truth table is what? Truth table NOT gate, that is A is input, this is input, output. Similarly here this is also inputs and these are outputs. Here A is an input and Y is written as A complement, that is the output. When the value of A is 0, what are the possible values of A? In case of binary, only two values are allowed, 0 and 1. So the value of A is either 0 or 1. So when the value of A is 0, it invert the value, output is just invert of 0, that is a 1, means complement of 0, that is a 1, and 1, when input is 1, its complement goes to 0. So this is the just when the in B supply low input, the NOT gate simply NOT gate output is high, and when B supply input is high, then NOT gate produces a output low. So this is the truth table of NOT gate, and simply we represent any Boolean function. We will discuss this about when we start a discussion about a Boolean function and how we implement Boolean function. But here let us take example. Suppose we want to discuss here implement y is equal to AB plus C. Here what are the ABC? Here where A, B, C are inputs and Y is the output. How we represent it? By using a basic logic gates. And what are the, in what possible combination the output is high, and in what possible combination the output is low. So simply here Y is ABC means two A and B input are connected by using a AND gate. Simply there are three inputs A, B, C. A and B are connected by using a AND gate, and then the input C, the output of this AND gate is connected, and input C is connected by OR gate. This is a OR gate because this is a one component and this is a another component. Both component, this component have a two connected component in the form of AND gate. That's why this is represents a A and B. We simply represent it by a AND gate, and then the output of this and the input C is connected through a OR gate, and this represents a output Y. Y is equal to what? AB plus C. Now the question is, in what possible input combination the output is high, and what possible input combination the output is low. So let us here suppose A, B, C are the input, A, B, C are the inputs. What here this is A, B, then we can write Y is equal to A, B plus C. Now what are the possible combination of inputs? Since there are three input variables, the possible combinations are 2 to the power 3, means total 8 possible combinations are there, and that 8 possible combinations are 0, 0, 0. So here what are the possible combination? All the values are 0, 0, 0, or 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Total possible combination are 8 possible combination. What are the value of AB here? Because Y output is represented by A dot B plus C. So first we find the component AB. So here this is the 0 and 0, both are 0, output is what? 0. AB means when one of the input is 0, then output is 0. When all are 1, then only the output is 1. Here this is 0, this means this is 0. In that case that is also 0, AB is 0. Here that is 0 because this is 0, this is 0, then both are 1, 1, 1, both AB are 1, 1, that is 1. What is AB plus C? It means B perform a OR operation between these two component. These two values, to we know that what is R. When one of the input is high, then output is high. When all inputs are low, then only the output is low. So what will be the output? 0 and 0 both are low, this means this is low. 1, 0, 1 is high, that is high. 0, 0 again, that is low. 1, 0, that is 1, with again 0, 0, that is 0. then 1 0 that is 1, then 0 1 that is 1, then 1 1 that is 1. So this means this is written means what possible combination in the value of 0 0 1 output is 1. Let us see here what is the output when this value is 0 0 1. What will be the output? So simply when 0 0, what will be the output of this? This is 0, because this is a AND gate, both inputs are 0. This means the output is 0. At least one input is 0, output is 0, and then 1 and 0 we apply a OR operation. So this means what? One input is high, this means the output is 1. So in this particular combination the output is 1. Similarly, we check for a rest of the combination, like in case of 0 1 1 the output is high, in case of 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1 the output is high. So this is all over about a basic logic gates, and we use a basic logic gates to implement all the digital circuits. Here universal logic gates. Universal logic gates generally NAND and NOR. NAND and NOR are known as universal logic gates. Both are known as. NAND is also known as a universal logic gates, and NOR is also known as a universal logic gates. Why? Because we implement, since we know that for designing any circuit we use basic logic gate AND, OR and NAND. So here when we design all the basic logic gates by either using a NAND gate or by using a NOR gate only, then we can say that NAND and NOR are also universal logic gates, because we implement any circuit, digital circuit, by using only and only NAND gate or by using only and only NOR gate. Let's try. So first we will discuss the symbol of NAND gate, and what are the inputs and what are the output of NAND gate. So when we take a symbol of logic symbol, of NAND gate, here this is nothing but a complement of AND gate. This is simply here, this A and B are the input, and this is Y is written as first we apply a AND gate and then take its complement. This is A dot B whole complement. What is truth table here? Truth table is truth table of NAND gate, that is inputs, output, A and B are the input, Y is equal to AB complement, that is the output. What are the possible combination? Since two variables are there, the four possible combination that are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. What will be the output? In case of AND gate, when both input are 0 0, what will be the output? The output is also 0. And here this complemented form, the complement of AND. So this means 0 complement, that is equal to 1, because we know it by using a De Morgan's law. The complement of 0 is 1, the complement of 1 is 0. Here we discuss about the logic symbol of NAND gate. Logic symbol of NAND gate, generally any number of inputs in a NAND gate, but mostly NAND gate have two inputs. Here this is the logic symbol of NAND gate. A and B are the input, and Y means complement of, it is just a complement of AND gate. Operation of NAND gate is the just complemented operation of a AND gate. Y is written as AB is the output, or A dot B is the output of AND gate, and complement of it, that is the output of NAND gate. And here what are the truth table? The truth table is what? The truth table is A and B are the input, and Y is equal to AB whole complement, that is the output. 0 0, what will be the output? In case of AND gate, the output is 0, so the complement of it 1. This means the in 0 0 combination the output of NAND gate is 1. Similarly 0 1, combination, the output of AND gate is 0. This means the output of NAND gate is 1. Similarly, 1-0 combination, the output of AND gate is 0. This means the output of NAND gate is 1 in this combination. And when in combination 1-1, the output of AND gate is 1. This means the output of NAND gate is 0. What are the observations? Simply here we see that when all the inputs are high, then only the output of NAND gate is low. In rest of the combination, the output of NAND gate is high. So suppose the NAND gate, in rest of the combination, the output of NAND gate is high, only the output of NAND gate is low when all the inputs are high. Now the question is how we prove that NAND is a universal logic gates. Our objective is to prove that the NAND is a universal logic gate. So simply when we design AND from NAND, OR from NAND and NOT from NAND, then we can say that we implement any Boolean function or any digital circuit by using only and only NAND gates. This proves that NAND is a universal logic gates. So here first we can design AND from NAND, then we design OR from NAND, and then we design NOT from . In this way we design all the basic logic gates, and this proves that the NAND is a universal logic gates. First is what? AND from NAND. So what is here? Simply when we take a 1-2 input AND gate, a NAND gate A and B, what will be the output of this NAND gate? A, B complement. Output of this is AB complement. And when we again supply the same input from another NAND gate, what is this? This means this is a again complement of this 8 input, double complement. This is equal to AB. So this is the process of designing AND gate from NAND, or designing AND gate by using a NAND gate. Another is AND from NAND. So this is the first, means AND from NAND. Another is the OR from NAND. How we design OR from NAND gate? So for designing OR from NAND gate, we simply take here, this is the first input A, and then same input are supplied to both input of NAND gate. This is what? That is A complement, and this is another input B, and same another input is B, and B supply the same input from both input of B, from both input of this NAND gate. This is simply what? This is B complement, and then both are connected by using one NAND gate. This is what? This is a first input. This means this is a complement, this is a dot B complement complement. This is what? This gives a what? This gives a, by using a De Morgan's theorem, we can say that this is equal to what? Y is written as A plus B. We will discuss this when we discuss about a Boolean function, that how we design any circuit by using only and only NOR gate, or by using only and only NAND gate. Here we just discuss the introductory portion, how we simply design a OR from NAND. So this is what? OR from NAND. are from NAND. Another is the how we simply design not from NAND. Third one is the not from NAND. To simply we design not from NAND, it is very easy. What is this? Suppose this is an input A and we supply both input here, and this is what? This is the Y equal to complement of A. So this is the designing process of not from NAND. This is figure 3, not from NAND. Suppose there is a question that proves that NAND is a universal logic gates. To be design each of the basic logic gates means AND, OR and NOT by using a NAND gate. This proves that NAND is a universal logic gate. Similarly, another gate is a universal logic gate is what? That is a NOR gate. This provides a complemented form of OR. This is just like as a NAND gate provides a complemented form of AND gate. This NOR gate provides a complemented form of OR gate. There are two inputs generally, and the logic symbol of NOR gate is what? The logic symbol of NOR gate is what? OR plus NOT. This represents a NOR gate. Here A and B are the input, and what will be the output? Y is written as what? A plus B whole complement. A plus B is what? The output of two input OR gate, and take a complement of whole. This provides a NOR gate. The output of NOR gate means this is a complemented form of OR gate. Here, what is the truth table? When we talk about truth table, the number of inputs are inputs and output. Inputs are A and B, only two inputs, and output Y is equal to A plus V whole complement. This is what are the possible combinations? Since two variables are there, the possible combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What will be the output? 0 0. What is the output of OR gate? The output of OR gate is 0 because both inputs are low. The output of OR is low. What will be the output of NOR gate? The output of NOR gate is 1 in that combination. What is the 0 1? Output of OR gate is 1. This means the output of NOR gate is 0. Similarly, 0 here 0. To simply be observed, there is observation that when all the inputs of NOR gate are low, then only the output becomes 1. Rest of the cases, the output is 0, or we simply say that if any one of the input is 1, then the output is 0. When all the inputs are 0 0, then output is 1. Now the question is how we can prove that NOR gate is a universal logic gates. So for proving NOR as universal logic gate, simply we design AND from NOR, OR from NOR, and NOT from NOR. So when we design AND, OR and NOT, all three are a basic logic gates by using only and only NOR gate. This proves that NOR is a universal logic gate. So here first we design AND from NOR. AND from NOR, simply we take A as a input and another one input is either that is a earth, or simply we sort out both input. So this is what, and then we connect both from a NOR gate. This provides what? Here when one input is connected from ground means the one input is 0, another input is A. This means the value depends on A. The value depends on A. When the value of A is what? When the value of A is 1, then the output is 0, and when the value of A is 0, the output is output is what 1 because another input is already 0. So this is what this gives a complement. Similarly here B, and another input is simply connected from a ground, and this is just like a earth, and this is means this represents a 0. All times this is 0, this is 0. So this is what this gives a V complement, and both are connected, both A complement and B complement are connected by using a single NOR gate. This is what these two are written as A complement plus B complement whole complement. And by using a De Morgan's law, we can say that this expression is equivalent to what A double complement dot B double complement, that is equal to in a complement of any variable is same as a variable. So this means this is equal to what A into B. This is nothing but a expression of AND gate. This is what expression of AND gate. So in this way we will convert, or we will design AND gate from NOR gate. Similarly, we design OR from NOR. It is very easy to designing OR gate from NOR. Simply this is a first we take two input A and B, both are connected from a NOR gate, and then we again this output of this NOR gate, and another input is what, that is a ground, from another NOR gate, use another NOR gate, and this is the output Y. Y is what, here the output Y is written as this, and here the output Y is written as what, this is what, this is A plus V whole complement. And what is this? This is just like as a NOT gate. So this is what Y is equal to A plus V double complement. So we know that by using a De Morgan's law, we will discuss a De Morgan's law when we discuss about a Boolean function. So this means De Morgan's law say that the double complement of any variable is same as a variable. Not a De Morgan's law, complementation law says that the double complement of any variable is same as a variable. That means this is same as A plus B. This is nothing but a expression means Boolean expression of OR gate. In this way we design a OR gate from an OR gate, and similarly NOT gate from NOR gate. NOT gate from NOR gate, simply two inputs A and B. Here this input is sought out by are connected through a ground, and then this is north. Here what is A? So the output depends on the A. Y is equal to what? A complement. Y is equal to A complement. What is here? Suppose the value of A and this value is B, the output, this is suppose B, and that is already 0. So here what is A and B? B is 0. So what are the possible value of A? 0. B, or A 1. What is the value of B? Is constant, that is 0. What will be the output? Output is what? Here the output Y is equal to what? Y is equal to, this is what? 0. This is 0. So in 0 0 what will be the output of NAND gate? In 0 0 we see that here in 0 0 the output of NAND gate NOR gate is 1. So in 0 0 the output of NOR gate is 1. So this is 1. What is here? 1 0. Here we see that in 1 0 means when any one of the input combination, when any one of the input is 1, then the output is 0 in case of NOR gate. So here this is 0. So this is nothing but here input A, y is equal to A complement means 1. Here input A is equal to 1. This is 0 means that is A complement. So this means here y is written as A complement. In this way we convert a NOT gate from we design a NOT gate from a NOR gate, and since we design all the 3 basic logic gate and OR and NOT gate by using only and only NOR gate, we nothing use other gates, that's why it is known as a universal logic gates. Now we discuss about some other gates, logic gates, like as a XOR gate and XNOR gate. XOR gate, the logic symbol of XOR gate is what? This is the logic symbol of XOR gate, and here the inputs are A. Suppose there are 2 inputs A and B. What will be the output? Output is written as A XOR B. That is also written as what? A into B complement plus A complement B. What will be the truth table of XOR gate? The truth table of XOR gate is what? Truth table is what? Inputs, and this is the output Y. Y is written as A XOR B. This is the inputs and this is output. What is the input? Input combination are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So when alternate combination are 0 and 1, then we can say that the output of XOR gate is 1. In rest cases means when both the inputs are 0 0 or both the inputs are 1 1, the output is 0. In rest combination the output is 1. So here this 0 0 output is 0, 0 1 output is 1, because one of the input is 1 input is 1 and one input is 0, 1 0 that is also 1 because one input is 0 and one input is 1, and here 1 1 both the inputs are 1, that's why the output is 0. So this is the truth table of a XOR gate. And XNOR gate just a inverter of a XOR gate, and the logic symbol of XNOR gate is what? A and B are the inputs, and this is nothing but an inverter of XOR gate. So this is what? Y is written as A dot B. This is the notation of a XNOR gate, and this is simply written as what? That is also written as AB plus A complement B complement. Here A complement and B. First we find a separately A complement and B separately B complement, and then we multiply both together. This is equal to what? Or this is also, we can say that this is also written as A XOR V whole complement. So there are several expression, writing a expression of XNOR gate. We either write expression in this form or this form or this form. Then the truth table of XNOR gate is what? Here the inputs are truth table of XNOR gate. The truth table of XNOR gate is here the inputs combination are A and B, and the output Y is written as A dot B. This is what? Possible combination are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. What will be the output? Output is 1 when both input are 0 0 or both input are 1 1. In rest cases the output is 0. So this is the truth table of XNOR, and this is the logic symbol of XNOR gate. Here we can say that when both the inputs are 0 0 or 1, means when both the inputs are same, then only the output is 1. When the one input is 0 and another input is 1, then the output is 0. and this is also a inverter, just like the inverse provide a output which are the inverse of a XOR gate. In this way we will cover all the logic gates like AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These three are the basic logic gates, and we implement any Boolean function or digital circuit by using only three logic gates. And since all the basic logic gates are implemented either by using a NAND gate or by using only and only NOR gate, that's why NAND and NOR are also a universal logic gates, and some other logic gates like the XOR gate and XNOR gate, their expression, their truth table and their logical symbol. Thank you very much.